grocery worth of 1K. 80s version. This is my grocery worth of 1K. 90s version. Welcome to the world of new generation. The prettiest, the beautiest, the sexiest, and the slim. Slimmer. The word of my grocery is worth of 1K. What is inside of my grocery? Pampers, beauty soap, lotion, powder, and the small amount of my shampoo. This is the reality of our new world. Welcome to the 20th generation.